Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold US dollar currency pairs from the 4 hours time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Tuesday, May 23rd. So we have several multiple high impacting and medium impacting news planned for euro related currency pairs starting from 12:45 pm to 1:30 pm. So we can expect lots of volatility in euro related currency pairs during these hours. And at 2 pm we have high impact news planned for British pound related currency pairs. So from 7:15 pm to 7:30 pm we have several high impacting and medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect lots of volatility in US dollar related currency pairs during these news hours. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame of gold US dollar currency pairs, and when we look at the current trend of the price action, I'm connecting the highs of the past price action. So it is presently in the bearish trend because it is trading below this trend line or the resistance line. And we know from the past price action that this zone between 1986 to 1975 was acting as a very strong support zone, and for the current price action this whole zone was acting as a very strong supply zone or a resistance zone. The price was consolidating around this area trying to break the bearish trend and to make a bullish side trend reversal, but it has failed to break this resistance zone, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back to continue its bearish side trend. And even if the bearish side retracement continues, this area between 1960 to 1952 is going to be acting as a very strong support zone because we have noticed a price action to take support at this zone and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So overall, when we look at the price action, it went on a bearish side retracement, took support at this support zone, and we have noticed the price action to bounce back to take the liquidity around this area, and currently we are noticing the price action to again retrace to retest on this demand zone. And since the price action is already in the bearish trend, and once the price action breaks this demand zone, we can expect the further continuation of the bearish trend. So I have marked the support and resistance levels based on the past price actions and the Fibonacci tool. So currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1965 and the resistance level of 1975. If the bearish side retracement continues, breaking the previous support level of 1965, next level of support is going to be around 1952, 1936, 1913 and 1886 on the bearish side. And if the price action bridges this resistance zone and the trend line or the resistance line and continues its bullish side retracement, breaking the previous resistance level of 1975, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1986, 2004, 2017 on the bullish side. And as long as the price action is trading below this trend line or the resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame also we are noticing the price action to break this resistance zone which was between 1975 to 1986 and to continue trending on the bearish side retracement. In order to find out the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame, I am drawing a trend line or a support line. So previously the price action had respected this trend line or the support line, and currently we are noticing the price action to again trend on the bearish side retracement. Wait for the price action to break the hourly time frame trend line in order to make decisions on the new entry on bearish side trade. But again we have lots of support levels around this area, so I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break the previous low, which is going to be around 1952, in order to comfortably enter on the bearish side trade in hourly time frame. And on the bullish side, I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this resistance zone between 1986 to 1975 in order to freshly enter on the bullish side trade in hourly time frame. So when we look at the support and resistance levels using the Fibonacci tool, currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1969 and resistance level of 1975, and it is in a bearish side retracement in hourly time frame. Once the price action breaks the current support level of 1969, next level of support is going to be around 1964. Before that, it has to break the trend line or the support line from the hourly time frame. And once the price action breaks the support level of 1964, next level of support is going to be around 1959, 1952, 1944 and 1936. And on the bullish side, if the price action takes support on the current support level of 1969 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1975. Once the price action breaches this resistance level, next level of resistance it's going to be the 4 hours time frame trend line or the resistance line. It has to bridge this resistance line in order to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1985, 1993 and 23. Overall, when we look at the price action, it is consolidating between this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame and the support line or the trend line from the hourly time frame. Today we have lots of high impacting and medium impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs, so we can expect a directional breakout from this consolidation. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to give a breakout from this consolidation in order to decide on directional trade in gold. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame, and when we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, we can clearly notice that it has made a double bottom pattern and it has bounced back to retest on the previous resistance level from where it made a bearish side retracement. And currently we are noticing the price action to again bounce back on the bearish side retracement within this bearish channel pattern. Every time it tests this support line, we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. But overall, when we look at the trend of the price action, it is trading within a bearish channel pattern. So as long as the price action is trading within this bearish channel pattern, we can expect the bearish side trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame. So if you are a scalper, I would recommend you to wait for the price action to take resistance on this trend line or the resistance line and to enter on the bearish side trade, because the overall trend of the price action is in a bearish trend. And when we look at the current support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame, currently it is trading between the support level of 1968 and resistance level of 1972. Once the price action breaches this resistance level of 1972, next level of resistance is going to be around 1977 and 1984 on the bullish side. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaches this support level of 1968, next level of support is going to be around 1964, 1958 and 1952. So to summarize, currently we are noticing the price action to be consolidating between this higher time frame resistance level of 1984, which was the previous high, and support level of 1952, which was a previous low, and a sideways price action from the higher time frame to lower time frame. We have several high impacting news planned for today. Wait for the price action to give a direction breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to enter on the directional trade in gold. If you are a scalper, you could be scalping within this resistance zone and the support zone. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.